I got that blue fever, cold as ice till you came near.
What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Team Stacy, and I'm back, baby. I said I'm back with another YouTube video, and if you are new to my channel, hello. But if you're a returning subscriber, what's up, my girl?
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year.
So I have been listening to Mariah The Scientist like tomorrow doesn't exist. Like literally, I am so obsessed with her new album. There's a couple of songs. I think there's really just one song I'm not too fond of. Is It a Crime? So fire. I love Sacrifice. Rainy Days is depicting my love life right now, like to the T. So because I've been listening to Mariah The Scientist, I decided to do an inspired look. It is basically, one thing I learned about Mariah is Mariah love her some blush, and some pink blush at that. So in today's video, we're just gonna go ahead and channel our Mariah The Scientist, our lover girl. Let me tell you something, that is what I love about Mariah The Scientist. She's unapologetically a lover girl, and I feel like someone like me, I really admire that, because I either try to fight my lover girl ways, and when I kind of let it seep through, I feel like when it doesn't really go in the direction that I want it to, the relationship at least, I just like be like, I don't want to be a lover girl no more. And I love Mariah, like you could just tell this girl be putting her heart out on the line, and I love that. And we need more people like that in the world, like lover boys, lover girls, like people that are not scared to get that little heart broken, and they're not gonna, you know, it's so easy to get into a situation with somebody, put your heart on the line, and then be like, nah, ain't nobody getting that ever again. And I get it, but it's like, I think it's so beautiful when someone doesn't let life tear them down, especially in love, like, because it's out there. So be that lover girl you are. So let's channel our inner lover girls, and let's see how we can make that reflect on the face, because baby, the face is giving tea. Okay, let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, my loves, so for my full transformation, we're first going to start on my eyebrows, because baby, you guys know I don't have any, and I'm actually contemplating microblading. I love the process of doing my eyebrows, but to have to do your eyebrows almost every time you step out be low-key a bit much. For the girls wondering, my eyebrow routine is pretty much the same that I've been doing for years. I'm still using the same Wet n Wild pencil. So if you guys want an updated video, it's not much updated, but I can do it for a, you know, 2025 version video. But it's pretty much the same steps, the same routines, okay? Also, if you need a little bit more help, I do have an ebook that I can help you. In my ebook, we go over beginning to the end of a flawless glam, including your brows. After I carve my eyebrows out with the Hourglass concealer, I'm blending everything out so everything is nice and smooth. I'm going to go ahead and grab my Maybelline Grippy Serum. I really feel like Mariah has a very healthy glow to her skin, so I feel like this is going to be the perfect primer to get my skin to be glowy and not so mattified. I took my time and I worked this product into the skin, but I went ahead and grabbed this PR package that I got from Decay. They sent me some goodies, but I really was excited to try out this Naked Shaped. This is a palette that consists of, let me show you, concealer, contour, eyeshadow, like shimmers, and this is a cool collection that they gave me. I really wish they gave me the warm one, because I'm more of a warm tone kind of person, but I went in with that shade that I just showed you previously, and we're putting that in the inner corner under my eye, because it is very, very bright, almost too bright for my skin. So the way I can balance it out is putting it only in the corner for that brightening effect, which I feel like Mariah does have, and then on the outer corners we go in with something a little bit closer to my skin tone. Next up, we're gonna go ahead and warm my face up. Also, as you guys see, I went in with priming and directly with my contour and my concealer. This has been a new way I've been doing my foundation and my base routine. One thing about Mariah, I don't really see her too caked up with makeup, and I've been feeling that look, so it's perfect for both of us. I have been liking my skin to breathe. I'm going to be doing an updated foundation base routine tutorial, but in this video, you guys are getting a sneak peek of what I usually do for the past couple of months. To blend out that contour stick though, I did go ahead and use my Killer Cosmetics Kabuki blending brush. Really love them. I've been using them for about a year now and I haven't put it down, so you know I love those brushes. Next up, I'm going to go with my It Cosmetics. This is like a dual blush brush. The tiny end of the brush is perfect for me to blend under my eyes because it's small, so it makes me take my time blending out, and it really just gets into the cracks and crevices of my eye. So on the tail end of my eye, I have on the Hourglass concealer in shade Dune, and then as you see on the front end, we're using that new Urban Decay Naked Shaped or Shaped Naked. We're using that really bright shade on my inner corner, but I'm just taking my time to blend her out because I feel like her under eyes are very smooth and very seamless, okay? One thing about Mariah, okay, she loves her a pink blush. I don't know if it's her makeup artist or she requested, but I noticed that about her. So I took my Lily Glow blush from Juvia's Place. The Glow formula is a little less pigmented than their original formula, and I wish I had the more pigmented version of this because as you guys see, once I'm finishing up the blending process of my nose and snatching her down, you guys are gonna see when I go ahead to blend out the blush, I feel like it just kind of disappears a little bit, so I had to go ahead and layer. But this is a perfect shade if you're looking for that Mariah the Scientist blush, baby. You have to get Lily Glow. Well, not Lily Glow, but like Lily, that's like the name. You'll find it. It's like Lily something. I'll put it in the description box. But on top of that, I went in with Pink Passion. This was the lightest cream blush that I have from Juvia's Place that had that pigment that I could put on top to just give me that pinky blush that Mariah is iconic for in my eyes, okay? Next up, I'm going to take my NARS foundation. This is in shade Tahoe, and as you see, I'm only applying it to the areas that didn't get any product. So I primed, I conceal, I contour, I blush, and the last step is actually foundation. This is where I just fill in the gap so everything can have at least one layer of makeup. Why I do that is it is very breathable, it's very natural, and honestly, it saves you a lot of products. So if you're somebody that's trying to get that natural look and every time you do your makeup it's giving full glam girly, definitely try this technique out. I'll be talking about it a little bit more in my next upcoming video. Now we're setting under our eyes with some setting powder. I'm using the One Size setting powder in shade Translucent. I'm going to set under my eyes first because that's the first area that starts creasing. But then after that, I'm going to go ahead and set the rest of my face. So everywhere that has makeup, which is my entire face, even my eyebrows, is going to get some setting powder. This is just going to lock everything in and make sure things are not slipping and sliding everywhere. Now we're getting ready for some lashes. I'm taking the Ilmakiage mascara and I'm just putting a small coat on my lashes so my falsies can blend very nicely. Now I'm gonna be honest with you. I saw a lot of pictures of Mariah's lashes and I'm not too fond of her lash style that she goes for. She kind of likes this like spiky, spidery look. Sometimes her lashes are very long. I think that was her older pictures, and then her more recent look that's more natural. Not too fond of it, so I went in with my kind of short, fluffy lashes, which is going to be linked down below. It's in my Amazon storefront. I love those lashes down. So next up, I'm going to go ahead and just take a dark brown liner. I love this look that I had saw on Mariah. She had like this kind of like pinkish nude lip look. So I had to go ahead and try to achieve it. So first thing I'm going to do is just line my lips with a dark brown liner. And then I'm going to go in with a crazy hot pink lip gloss, okay? This lip gloss is very bright, but once you blend it with your brown lip liner, it is just going to give you the perfect ombre effect. It gives so girly. It's so freaking pretty. Like, I'm telling you, I love her down. Lastly, I'm going to set my face because like I said, I don't really see Mariah do like ultra matte looks. I'm keeping things very skin-like. So this is what I'm looking like after everything is dried down. And baby, she is giving, I'm ready to go on tour right now, okay? Obviously, I don't look like Mariah, but I feel like this is a really pretty look that just kind of gives me her vibe, especially the blush. All right, my love, so this is the final look. I think this is so freaking beautiful. One thing about Mariah, like I said, Mariah loves her some blush. Okay, Mariah don't play with her blush. Now, I wish I had the exact shade Mariah has. I feel like the shade that she wears for her blush is similar to the shade that I put on my lips. That's why I went for that pinkish nude. It's just literally so freaking pretty. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any other like artists, celebrities, anybody that you guys want me to recreate their looks, go ahead and let me know. But I really love Mariah's makeup. I feel like it's very simplistic. It's something that I like. So let me know if you want me to recreate any other celebrities or influencers looks. Go ahead and comment down below this secret message. That's how I know you are gang and you watch my videos all the way through. Give this video a big thumbs up just so I know you guys like content like this. Join the team and just do it like Nike by subscribing to the channel. I love you guys so much and I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye.